Hello. So today I am going to be showing you how to see who's liked your Facebook posts, first of all, and also how to then invite those likes to follow your Facebook business page. Now, this is one of the great features about having a Facebook page for your business, is that if you create great content and you get lots of likes, you can invite them to follow your page, even if they're not following it already. Okay, so today I'm going to show you that. And I'd just like to give a huge shout out to Sue Bailey in the Social Flock for asking this question. The Social Flock is my membership group where we come together as business owners and we write our social media content online together on Zoom twice a week. But I also do lots of training in the group. So Sue asked me this question this week and I thought that's a great question. So I'm going to demonstrate live how to see who likes your posts and then invite those people who've liked them to follow your Facebook page. So I'm Bex, social media trainer. I trained thousands of businesses across the world over the past 8 years, and I'm here to help you excel in social media and do it the right way without it being just a tick box exercise, showing you exactly how to actually generate leads and inquiries. So do follow me for lots of tips and advice on social media. I share these tips live every week. So give us a like and ask any questions as we are going along too. Okay, so for this demonstration then, I am going to share my screen with you guys. So just bear with me while I add this to stage. Okay, right. So to do this then, I'm going to show you my Facebook page. Give us a thumbs up if you can see that. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, right. Can you see my Facebook page here? Yeah, great. Just give us a thumbs up if you can. Again, ask any questions as we are going along. So this is my page, Social Media Executive. And if you're a business and you are creating great content on your page that speaks to your ideal clients, that gets lots of likes, then this is what you want, okay? So if we're scrolling down onto my page, you don't need that many likes on your page to generate business. I generate regular business from my page by just adding value. So let's take, for example, this post here. Here we've got Kirsty and Jay who've just joined the Social Flock, my membership group. And as you can see, we've got a few likes on this post. So all you do is you just click here on those likes and it brings you a list. It tells you exactly who's liked it, who's loved it, okay? And what you can then do with these is you can just go and click invite. Now this sends a direct notification to those people and asks them to follow your page. Now, if you're providing a great page with loads of useful information, then hopefully they're then going to give you a follow, okay? Now, obviously, if you can see here, these guys are already following me, so I can't invite those. And once they've been invited, it grays out. So that's simply how you invite people to follow your page. But there's also something else you can do, because you can create content not only on your page, but you can also create content in Facebook groups. Now, if you're not sure the difference between a Facebook group and a Facebook page, please do ask me in the comments. I'm more than happy to explain that. And I've got another video that we can go through that. But let's go to a group, a Facebook group, for example. So I'm a member here of the UK Small Business Owners groups. And again, I'd recommend you guys to join this group if you're a small business and you're looking for tips and advice, okay? And basically what you can do in these groups is you can create content. You see here, it writes something. And yeah, oh, Kirsty. Yes, Kirsty, that was you. Welcome to the Social Flock. Kirsty was the one who we welcomed with Jay and Kirsty to the Social Flock. Okay, nice to see you. Okay, so if you join this is quite a nice group to join. Actually, I would recommend joining this one. Once you've joined it, you can create posts. And if we click on my profile here, I'm a member of this group, it's going to bring up all the posts that I've created in this group. Yeah. And if any of these have got likes, so again, this one's got quite a few likes, you can click on this. And again, you can go through and you can invite these people to follow your page. So not only can you see who it is exactly that's liked it, but you can then go on and invite them to follow your page. Now, you do have to create interesting content. And I can tell you now, if you're just sending out sales pictures in these groups, then it's a waste of time. Nobody's going to like that. Nobody's ready to buy on social media. But if you're adding value and you're creating conversations, then it's really good to collect these likes and invite them to follow your page. Now, I know that it's not always easy to come up with these content ideas, and you've got to have a bit of a plan in place. So I have got a little offer for you today, and I have a social media content planner, which is this here, and I'll put it in the chat. But I've got this social media content planner, and today I will give you basically 50% off with this code that you can see here in below in the chat here. But basically, it's fantastic. It's a really simple Excel spreadsheet, because I like things that are simple. It has monthly plan where you can put all your content ideas here. You can just put your content ideas for every week, because I know when we get busy, we forget about what we might want to post. We get too busy. Okay. It's got all these really nice plans, so you can do a plan for the month, think about what you're going to write. It's got space to put links to your best performing posts so that you can repeat those, and then it's got a month by month planner, and you can actually either print those out or put them on Google Sheets. If you've got a team, it's alive. You can then update the ideas, content ideas for there. There's also loads of content ideas here for creating your posts as well, and it's only $25.99, but actually it's not, because there's a code below, 50% off. I would recommend it. It helps to keep you organized. So the link's in the chat. So if you found that useful, please do let me know how you get on with liking all those, collecting all those likes on Facebook. It really does work, and it can really help you to grow your page on Facebook, grow your followers by really creating great content that people like, and then you can invite them to follow your page. So thanks for watching. Please do give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed that. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and I will come back and answer those, even if you're not watching this live. And I'll see you next week for lots more tips and advice on social media. See you soon.